Hold up. I heard it. This freakiest train horn I've ever heard. Listen to that. So creepy. It's the creepiest train horn I've ever heard in my life. That is so creepy. Eerily creepy.